Okay, welcome back, Sunshine and Country viewers. Subscribe and like if you just joined us as well to review some more of our content. We'd appreciate it very much. But today we just want to go over a quick. Hey, Samson. Hello. Yeah, we wanted to go over a little quick video of a quick DIY table you can do on your front porch or back patio or anything like that. Just taking these half barrel, these Jack Daniel barrels that you can get at the hardware store. We got this one at Lowe's for about $40, and it was the most least expensive and that we could find for something we can use for a table, while we're out sitting on the porch here. So it's become very useful. Really look like a rustic decoration, and it matches with our kind of theme and decor of a country look. So the important thing on this one is that it comes with the there's where they put the cork in, like a little mouse hole. Just tape it up so that something can't get in there. That's all you got to do. Wasps, whatever, even snakes or even mouse. So just basically, other than that, it stays really flat on the ground here, where nothing can get under it. But just tape that hole up and just turn it around where it can't see it, and that's all you got to do. So just hopefully that give you some ideas of something you can do instead of having to buy patio furniture or porch furniture, which can run you really high, and sometimes those can only come in a set. So we only needed just this one table in between a rocking chair. So signing out for Sunshine and Country for another DIY. Have a good sunshiny day.